Hello everyone and welcome to my brand new listing at 125 Ketchums Road. I grew up in this very neighborhood and attended this elementary school, middle school, and high school. We're talking about Robbins Lane Elementary, H.B. Thompson Middle School, and Syosset High School. These schools are all extremely highly rated, and especially this elementary school is one of the best in New York State. I'm gonna bring you inside and bring you on a full tour of this 5-bed, 3.5 bath, new construction on an extra deep property with over 3,200 square feet of living space. Follow me inside so we can start the tour. Welcome to this brand new Center Hall Colonial where we still have a little bit of work remaining, but it was very important to us to get this on the market and get this video tour live. Some of my favorite features to this home are the Anderson windows, amazing trim details, and private ensuite guest bedroom on the first floor. So right now we're standing in the Center Hall. I love the color of these wood floors, and please make a note, there'll be 2 more coats of water-based finish on these floors to give them a little bit more pop. Right now we're standing in the formal dining room. We've got the formal living room on this side, and as we make our way through the Center Hall, we've got a coat closet and a beautiful open concept kitchen and family room. Of course, we've got a powder room, an entrance to the garage, and this kitchen has its own pantry, Samsung appliances, quartz countertops, solid wood, white shaker cabinets, and we're just about ready to install the under cabinet lighting. This huge open space is where you're gonna do the majority of your entertaining, so we made sure to make this family room extra special. You've got lots of natural light between these windows and the sliding door to the backyard, and raised panel detail with a gas fireplace and a beautiful mantle for this family room. Of course, you're pre-wired for your television and your internet. I love all the trim details, the crown moldings, the archways, and right here is one of the most important features. Perhaps in the post-corona world, you're gonna find yourself working a lot more from home. This could be a great home office, and with the ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet, this could also be a great in-law suite or a place for your guests to spend some time when they come visit. Now that we're on the second floor, we can really appreciate the flow. One of my favorite features of this home is the amazing floor plan, and these railings with the white newel posts and the iron balusters really add a nice rustic feel. Everything centered around this main hall. We've got room for your chandelier, a large picture window, a pull-down staircase to the attic. Now let's get right into this master, where we have this high ceiling, recessed lighting, a bar box for your fan or chandelier, and tons of closet space. We've got a walk-in closet over here, and as we make our way down this hallway, we've got another walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom. I love the paint color in here, the raised panel trim details, double vanity, and this shower is just stunning. You'll see throughout this home that the tile work is really high quality. I've noticed in a lot of new construction, it seems like the tile, the trim work, and the paint are an afterthought, and that's absolutely not the case here. You've got a beautiful shower with an inlaid tile detail, handheld, body spray, and a beautiful bench. And how you can tell one of the hallmarks of good tile work, how they cut around that drain. You can see the sharpness and the detail of the tile work, and you've got another linen closet over here with a closet light switch. All the closets in this home have light switches, which is something that we include in all our bills as well, and it's just a no-brainer. Who wants to go digging through a closet in the dark? It just makes no sense. Now follow me this way, where we've got 3 more bedrooms, a laundry room, and a full bath. The laundry room is right here with a floor drain. I love this tile detail. You guys will recognize this tile because I've definitely used it as well a couple of times. The dryer's got gas. You've got the dryer vent right there, ready to go. Recessed box in the wall, which is gonna save you some space. You've got the main shared bath with another double vanity. Again, I love the tile choices. I love the quality of the tile work. And we've got 3 more bedrooms, 1 behind you and 2 this way, and they're all a generous size. When you go from 2,900 to 3,200 square feet, that difference is what gives you these nice sized bedrooms, the wide open kitchen and family room. We've got another large walk-in closet. Things like closets and living spaces, they don't become afterthoughts, they're focal points. And when you have that couple hundred extra square feet, it makes all the difference. And these large windows bring tons of natural light, and I can't stress enough, so many builders use vinyl windows. This builder went out of his way to use Anderson 400 series windows, and some of the things that you'll never replace in a renovation are things like the Anderson windows and these high quality wood floors, and this builder checked all the boxes. We're down in the basement now where we have 1,500 square feet of unfinished space, but the builder did some very thoughtful things so that whenever you are ready to finish this space, you don't have to go crazy relocating ductwork, mechanicals. It's all set up and ready to be used in a very efficient way. You've got a tankless hot water system on the wall, which is powered by natural gas, and it supplies hot water to your hydronic heating system. You've got one air handler in the basement supplying the first floor. You've got another air handler in the attic supplying the second floor. And what would you do with this space? I'm thinking a gym, a movie theater, maybe a playroom for the kids, but you've got the egress window, you've got other windows spread out throughout the basement, and this could be an amazing space down the road when you decide to finish this basement. The best part about this property is the additional depth. At 132 feet deep, you're more than 30% larger than the average lot in this area, and what that gives you is flexibility for pool, an outdoor kitchen, additional hardscape, and you'll still have a grassy area for the kids. The builder left a perfect blank slate for you to put your finishing touches, whether that means PVC fencing, an outdoor kitchen, a pool. We can make it all happen for you, and with this additional space, you're not going to feel like you squeezed it in. And on that note, I want to thank all of you for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a great day.